Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to find your top 100 schools for sending applicants. I'm hoping that this can help with making configurable joins feel more accessible. If there are configurable joins that you're struggling to build that you could easily access in the local base, feel free to reach out in the comments to be highlighted in a future video. So for today, we're going to be starting on a configurable joins organization base because we want to see one row per school. I'm going to start with a direct filter for school category is high school. The next step is where it gets a little bit trickier. We're going to create a subquery filter in order to build a tiny query inside of our query. I'm using the subquery option in order to keep my base joins clean of one-to-many joins. I'm joining from my base of organizations to schools to person to applications. This is to get an idea of how many applications are coming in from each high school, so we're going to start by making sure that any count of application exists. Something fun is that we can take that filter and hit Control Copy, and then start a subquery export and hit Control Paste. Now we have the joins without needing to recreate them. All we have to do is change our output to be aggregate count to see how many from each. And if we preview from here, we'll see a whole bunch of numbers. And so now we'll add a sort for count, and then make sure that our sort is set to descending. So that gives us a couple thousand schools that have sent at least one application, with the highest being over 200. In order to limit our results, we can go back into the query and then update under Edit Properties to have a row limit of 100 in order to generate the top 100 schools. So there's a lot more that can be done with this query. Adding in additional joins for admitted or enrolling students, filtering down to the most recently completed application cycle years would be some immediate suggestions, and of course adding in exports to identify the schools rather than anonymizing data for a recording. But I hope that this helps to make sense of your data and identify your high-value schools. And also a thank you to the new Slate instance at the University of Colorado Springs for letting me borrow your instance today. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.